Sir, ito po yung soy sauce? Yeah.
Yep. So, bigyan ko lang ha. Tengi ha.
Yeah, it's okay.
Oh, yummy.
MCR, if only you were here.
Well, the food will be there. Bigyan ko lang sila konti.
Ang dami natin ibibigay sa MCR.
MCR, kung nandito lang kayo.
What's MCR?
Mass control! Para tayong Tron dito eh, na Tron. Alam niyo ba yung movie na yun, yung Tron?
Ito, Tron. Gusto ko rin to.
Vision needs to show.
Yeah eh.
Ang dami na natin dessert. We were just saying. Ano mo, hindi na nakakatingin ng dessert.
Ay, yes, wala na ako.
Kaya kayong age niyo, no?
Miguel? Just a few days lang. Matanda na siya.
Really?
Chair. Sige, apple one for you.
Here, no?
Then, ba't kaya ako ng friend?
Hindi mo ha. Iba bawal.
Okay lang yan, ngayon lang.
Magaling ka na, Bugoy?
Ay, yes po.
Ano? Juice? Ayun, juice. Talaga?
Father likes salad.
What?
Kamukha rin sila trabaho.
Diba? Oh, daming foods.
Trip.
Oh yeah, you're using that there. Kaya ko yan, kaya.
Kamusta kanina?
Yeah, because I got the dual
Mom was telling me kanina that
Okay, pwede.
Vince, complain, sabi niya.
Sabi ni Mama, maging mabait daw ka na. Ako sa kanya.
Yeah, it's hard though. That's the only thing we can do that. I forgot to buy. No, I couldn't greet you because it was like the first week, so we didn't have any rice.
Then, what?
Nakakaman. Ano ka?
Ang sarap.
Anthony, gusto mo?
Apple.
Service po yun.
Kaya ko rin.
Apple. Wine.
Si Apple daw nakatira kay Bea. Paano naman? Tinawag si Bea sa'yo. Sa club.
See, I think we have to postpone your class. We won't be able to sing.
What? Sige, hindi. May kasingit lang. Wala nang kulit. Dito wala nang kulit. You want to sa... No, hindi ka na. Sige po. You want to sa...
Hindi, sige lang.
Tuloy na lang.
Kasi wala tayong service. Here, pansit. Dito, ano here?
There's chopstick po.
Oh, guys, this is awesome. Sobrang sarap nito. If you don't know what it is, it looks what it is. Yung sauce with rice. Jobsen, you still hungry? You have to try it. If we're gonna be friends, you're gonna have to eat that.
Your mommy.
Yeah, all of this is my mom's cooking. This one, that one, everything's my mom's.